If I sound a little weird or seem a little low energy, it is because I'm a little sick right now. I'm all good, but yeah, it's been about a month since I've uploaded a video, and the first thing I want to say is I'm sorry. Basically, what happened is that June was a really crazy month. It was crazy in the beginning, you'll see what I got up to, and then I had 2 music festivals back to back, Bonnaroo in Tennessee and then Electric Forest in Michigan. I was at Bonnaroo for 6 days, had 3 days in between the festivals, and then was at Electric Forest for 4 days, but then another 3 days because I was volunteering, which I'll explain in one of the future videos. And since then, I've been settling into a new place, which again, you'll see soon. If you do want to be more up to date on where I am, Instagram's your best bet. I update that much faster than I do YouTube. It's just quicker to get photos and videos up there. So if you do want to be more up to date on where I've been and where I will be, Instagram. But yeah, I'm so sorry. I'll try not to do that again without a warning. We'll see what happens. I do have 5 videos, I believe, that I want to upload in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for those. I hope I get it all up in 2 weeks. The next 2 videos will be shorter and a little less eventful, but then the 2 videos following I think are going to be the music festival ones, and those are going to be more insane. But yeah, with that, I'm back from my hiatus. So let's get into the video.
In case you're new here, hi, I'm Julia, and I've been living in my minivan full-time since mid-October. Since leaving home, I've mainly been exploring the southeastern region of the US and have just made it to my 13th state of Alabama. My goal over the next few years is to hit all US states and national parks, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to follow along with my journey.
I am somewhere on I-10 here in Florida, and today I'm heading to my next state here in van life, kind of rounding out my time here in the southeast, Alabama. This is Gulf State Park. I did spend the past few hours here, but admittedly I spent most of that just napping and hanging out in the minivan. I did go into the beach for like an hour or so. Shout out to them for having actual showers in their beach pavilion, like really a shower with hot water. So I just cleaned myself off. I got really sandy today. I'm mainly just going to be spending these next few days having lots of beach time, because after I leave this area, I don't know when the next time I'll see a beach with ocean water is. After a nice little beach day here in the Gulf Shores area, I'm heading to the other side of the Mobile Bay to Dauphin Island. But I don't know, I think my plans for the weekend might get derailed because of this rain that's been passing through. So we'll see what happens. I was supposed to go to Dauphin, but you know, that's like a beach kind of vibe. And it's just been raining and cloudy. Since I'm doing that, I'll take you on a day of van life with me. I did wake up quite a while ago, maybe at 8:30. Let me see what time it is. It's 11:50. What have I done the past 3 hours? For 2 of those, I talked to my mom on the phone. It was her birthday, and it is her birthday. And then I talked to my friend. I should eat soon because I haven't eaten yet. Panera's there. I'll go in there to work and charge things. So it's gonna be a day, not a fun one. You know, it'll be a good one. Just not a fun one. After I told you guys it was gonna be cloudy, the sun's kind of coming out, but I don't trust it still because the forecast still says cloudy. But anyway, before I go work, it's time to eat, so I don't order anything in Panera. I got these like instant brown rice quinoa stuff, so just gotta heat it up. Time to work in Panera for a few hours. This is honestly what a lot of my days are, just rotating between different parking lots. So now I'm at Walmart. Honestly did not do much at Panera, and I cannot lie, I don't know, just not feeling great today. Just a little sad, but that's okay. Nothing to worry about, just emotions. I'm not getting as much done as I'd like because I'm just not focused, but I'm gonna have some snackies. See if I can get work done later. Ugh. I don't even know how this happens sometimes. Honestly, it's like hard to film my days when I don't do much because that's exactly what I do. No, not much. I'm getting myself situated here for the night because I have a driving day ahead of me. I gotta dump the pee jar. Ready to go. Alright, ending my night here. I'm just gonna be editing and then, yeah, head over to Cracker Barrel to sleep. I have no idea how this video is gonna turn out. It was supposed to be like a beach weekend kind of thing, but the weather derailed that, and then my little bout of sadness derailed that, but that's life. Just a few more stops here in Alabama, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.